Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make VLC Media Player your default app, so media files like MP4s, MP3s, and even DVDs open automatically in VLC on your PC. Let's go ahead and set it up. First, make sure VLC Media Player is installed. If you don't have it yet, just search for VLC Download on Google. Go to the official videoland.org site and install it like any other app. Now, to set VLC as your default media player, press Windows + I to open your settings. From here, click on Apps, then go to Default Apps. In the search bar under Default Apps, type VLC and click on VLC Media Player when it shows up. Now you'll see a list of file types like .mp4, .mp3, .avi, and more. All you need to do is click on each file type and choose VLC Media Player from the list. This tells Windows to always open that type of file with VLC. You can also right-click any video or audio file, select Open With, choose another app, and then pick VLC. Be sure to check the box that says, "Always use this app before hitting OK." And just like that, every time you double-click a media file, it'll open directly in VLC. That's how you set VLC as your default media player on Windows. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell icon. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching.